Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can download the CapCut for PC app. So you're just going to type in CapCut.com and you're just going to select that website, which is there. And to download the app itself, you're just going to select download for Windows. You can also open it in your browser, but it only works for Google Chrome users only. And I'm just going to select download for Windows, and it's going to be downloaded in your file, and it's going to be downloaded, of course. And then you're just going to kind of open it and then just install it, and then you'll have this, which is the CapCut for PC app. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!